Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on formatting data. In the last video we have discussed few formatting data like changing background color, like adding border to cells. So these are things we did, and now we are discussing few more things. So today we'll discuss on currency value and percentage. See, we have a bunch of numbers that they represent a couple of things, like the amount I have spent in different months. So they should be represented currency value, like either in dollars, either in rupees, either in dinar. So it should be represented in any currency value. So for that, we have to go for home. In home we have number, and you can see we have dollar, percentage. These are the things. For that, first select the cell and select all the cells which you want to add the currency value to it. Do, and you want to add INR, so the n number of options here. Go for more accounting formulas, and there INR, it's for Indian rupee, and select it. Turn into INR 2000. Okay, that's good. That, but whenever you see the hashtag symbol, it doesn't mean it's an error, but you have to increase the column size. You have to increase the column size for that. Okay, and secondly we'll discuss on percentage now. So for percentage, so like this is in the percentage decimal thing. So but you want into actual percentage, but you want decimal to actual percentage. So to do that, first you have to go home and you'll go for number, and you have a percentage option. First select the cell and drag it, like which cells you want to change into the actual percentage. So press percentage and it changes. Done. But still, if you may ask you, like, I need the accurate one. For accurate, for accurate, you'll be having the actual percentage with the decimals. So for that we have options like increase decimals and decrease decimals. For the actual percentage itself, we can increase decimals, you can decrease decimals. So I want the accurate, so I go for two increased decimals, and this is what the accurate thing I need. So this is the things of this, the currency value and the percentage.